Hi, my name is Georgina. I live in New Hampshire. I did my proofreading course from Caitlin's Proofread Anywhere, and I came across this course a year back, and I did this from November. Then I took some time, and I was able to complete only in July. And really, it had turned my life over. It brought about limelight, many worlds that I hadn't discovered before, and I was able to venture into the world of marketing, how how that we can really put up effort and to know about how that we can meet clients and give and help them to proofread with regard to all sorts of uh, text that they bring to us. And it was really inspiring from Caitlin to know her story about how that she lost her job before, and how she was able to discover herself, and she was able to overcome all the lies that she has been told, been telling about her in her life. And I learned a lot of lessons from that, and it was a real uh, it was a real blessing in my life. And thank you, Caitlin, for bringing me so much encouragement, inspiration from your works, from your stories, and also the journey that you had been taking from the time you had been doing your proofreading till now. You have seen lots of ups and downs in life, but still, you are, with the help of God, you are being able to tread over everything, that all the obstacles, and bring about a change in millions of lives. And I am being one among them. And I can say, if you this proofread anywhere is just not a course. It really t- would help you to know, to see what is really in you, and how that real you can be brought out, and you will discover a lot more than this. And I wish Caitlin all the best for all her future endeavors in her career, and I pray really that God will bless her to be a source of blessing to millions. Bye.